All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, the 18th day of July, 2014. Let me get the results. Okay, the results for today were plus 12 ticks on the soybeans, were plus 7 ticks on the Russell, plus 4 ticks on crude oil, and minus 16 ticks on gold. All right. It took us 115 minutes and 15 trades to get to our goal for the day, which was $100 a contract. All right, and we took a total of 15 trades today. What that means is my last trade was the one that got us to $100 a contract. We're back and forth all day today. So far in the month, we are up $5,132.50 a contract. $51.32.50 per contract. That's on 13 trading days. We have, if you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up a net of $3,372.50. If you apply a $5 commission to every trade we've taken, you'd be up a net of $4,032.50. Okay? $33.72.50 net or $40.32.50 net. Those are net numbers after commissions and fees and all that stuff. And you know, I use an $8 commission. I use an $8 commission because nobody should be paying that. That's a very high number. So you should be somewhere in between there. Okay. So $51.32.50 on the month. 13 trading days, 2 hours a day with one contract. All right. Let me get rid of that, and I'll show you guys how to take the free trial. Hang on a second. Here it is. All right. If you have not taken the free trial with us, you just need to go to CFRN.net. Right in here, put in your name, put in your email address, click register for a free trial. Once you click register for a free trial, you'll be sent a confirmation link. When you get that confirmation link, you need to click on it, okay? Because we don't know you took the free trial until you click on that link. Once you click on the link, we'll send you all the information you need to become a partner. That will include a couple of emails. One will have all the stuff to get into the live trading room, to download the charting platform, and all that stuff. The passwords, videos about all the indicators, all that stuff is going to be in the first email that you get that says, like, welcome Bob to CFRN. The next one is going to say details for setting up DT Pro workspace or a Ninja workspace. Then it says, please watch this video. I mean, it actually says, please watch the video. So really, watch the video if you can. Okay. Let me just check something here. Yeah, okay, because if you watch the video, you'll be up to speed with what we're going to be doing in the live trading room, or at least you'll be more up to speed with what we're going to be doing in the live trading room on the first day. You won't be so overwhelmed. Okay? Now, that was all that. Now let me get into the trades that we took today. Okay, the trades that we took today. We'll start out with crude oil. Okay? Start with the crude. We'll start with the crude. All right. It is right here. We took quite a few trades on crude this morning. We ended up a little bit on crude, but we were back and forth all morning, back and forth on the crude. All right. Our first trade on crude was right in here. We took a short trade. We ended up taking a break even on that one. The next opportunity was right over here, but I really wanted to see it close up above there before, so it would be trending before we took that trade. So it finally closed up above there, and I missed the trade right here. I missed that momentum trade. I did jump in on a trade right in here, and I got a little bit of profit on that. I believe I got 5 ticks profit on that one. All right, I missed this one, and then I got stopped out on this one. Down closed below the trend line there. I got stopped out for minus 8 ticks. So at that point, I was minus 3. I got a couple ticks profit on this one, put me back at minus 1. And then I got a 4 ticks profit on this one right here that put me at plus 3. My final trade of the day was this one right here. I guess it wasn't 125 minutes, it was 122 minutes, but either way. My final trade of the day was this one right here. I just took the 1 tick on this one to get the goal for the day and finish up. Since then, let's see, there was a short trade right in here. At the end of the live trading room, there was a short trade right in there. And there was another one right here during the break. Let's see, there was one more right over here, and there's one right now. This up close right here is a long trade. Okay, that is a long trade on crude oil. All right. It would be the up close off the BBC with bullish divergence and a blue cycle down here. Okay, so I just got long at 102.97. All right, I'm just going to slide that off to the side, and that's it. So on crude, we ended the morning at plus 4 ticks. Plus 4 ticks on crude. The next one that we're going to do will be the Russell. Okay. On the Russell today, yeah, we battled on the Russell too. It was just a difficult day because the ES and the Russell were back and forth on weekly trading zones for a good part of the morning. Okay, the Russell looks like it was awesome right here. I got long here on the first trade. I got long here on the Russell, and I ended up getting 1 tick profit on that. I missed this short trade over here. That would have been a break-even trade for me anyway. But I missed this long trade. I missed this long trade. Then finally I got into a long trade way over here, and it stopped me out. That put me at minus 7 ticks. Then I got into a short trade right here. That also stopped me out. And I should have had my stop at break even on that one. It was a momentum trade, and it did go down some, but I just wasn't fast enough getting my stop to break even. But anyway, after this trade, we're minus 15 ticks. I missed that trade right there, and then I grabbed 8 ticks profit on this one. That put us back to minus 7. Right over here, we didn't take this because the ES was on top of a weekly trading zone, but we took 2 trades in a row right over here. One of them brought us back to break even, and the other one brought us to plus. I think it brought us back to break even, and the other one brought us to plus 7. I think that's how it all played out. Yeah, that's how it all played out. So we took 2 trades in a row right here. One of them brought us to break even, and the other one brought us to plus 7 ticks on the day. I think one of them brought us to minus 1, and the other one brought us to plus 7 ticks. Anyway, we ended with plus 7 ticks on the Russell. At the end of the live trading room, there was a trade right here, a long trade right in here that had happened. Since then, there really hasn't been anything. It's setting up a long trade right now. Okay, it's setting up a long trade in there right now. And that was that. We were plus 7 ticks on the Russell. Now let's do gold. In gold, we didn't have a lot of trades in gold, sadly. We had 2, and they were both failing trades. Trades that didn't work out for us. We went long on the up close above the trend line right here, and it stopped us out. We missed this trade right here, which would have been a break-even trade for me, and we went short on the down close below the trend line here, and that stopped us out as well. Gold was really, really difficult to trade today. I had drawn in these boxes at the end of the live trading room saying you don't want to trade gold until it gets out of that range, and I don't think it's going to get out of that range today. All right, so that was gold. Soybeans. Let's take a look at the soybeans. On the soybeans, our first trade right here on soybeans went for 8 ticks profit. Okay, we took 8 ticks profit on that one. And I actually entered it wrong. The entry should have been up here at 93.50, and I actually entered in at 92.75, I think, right down here. I messed it up, but I was in the trade, and I took my risk off the trade as soon as I could, and it worked out for me. I got 8 ticks profit. It changed directions, and there was really no divergence right here on this. There was really no divergence there. So we couldn't take the up close and that move up right there. I was looking for it to get up to 98, which you can see it just did. Back here, I got long on the up close off the BBC right here, and we took 4 ticks profit on that. And I was looking for it to get to 98. It came within a tick of it, but it didn't quite make it there. All right, and that was it for the soybeans. Now the natural gas has not done anything all day. I mean, it's like it's not even trading. Look at this. This was the natural gas today. Not a single trade on the natural gas today. Okay. I mean, it was so bad I didn't even look at it. On the ES, we did have. I'm trying to slide ES over here. On the ES, there it goes. We did have some movement on the ES today. Yeah, I'll blow it up. It was stuck inside a zone most of the morning, but in the last half an hour, it went zone to zone. We had this up move, and there was a chance to go long right here. I pointed out to everybody in the live trading room, from 64 1/4 right there, and right up to the weekly trading zone. Bang. 64 and a quarter up to 67.75, so 3.5 points were available there on that move. All right, and that was the ES today. So if I slide that back, those are all the markets we traded. We ended plus 7 ticks on the Russell, minus 16 ticks on gold, plus 12 ticks on soybeans, and plus 4 ticks on crude oil. Here is our spreadsheet again, just so you can see that's exactly what we did. 14, 16. It took 112 minutes, I think, to get our points. But anyway, that's it. All right, we got our goal for the day, $100 a contract, and on the month we're up at $5,132.50 per contract. Keith, because I like to do it myself. I do it manually. Because it's based on one of two things. The question is, why don't I have the trading platform move stop to break even automatically? You could have it move it to break even based upon, just going 4 ticks in profit, move it to break even. But there are times when you want to move it to break even when you don't have 4 ticks in profit, when you only have 3 or 2 sometimes. A close on the other side of the MA1 or 4 ticks profit, whichever happens first is when you move the stop to break even. Okay, that's the rule. All right, so that's where we stand on the month. And one more time, I'll show you how to take the free trial if you have not already taken the free trial. Okay, you just go here to CFRN.net, put in your name, put in your email address, click register for a free trial. Once you register for the free trial, you'll be sent a link. Confirmation link. You got to click on that confirmation link because we don't know you registered for the free trial until you click on that link. All right. Once you do that, you'll be sent all kinds of stuff to get into the live trading room. I did, Jim. 15 trades today. And that was it, guys. That was our day today in the live trading room. We did get our goal. We got it right at the very end. And the last trade. All right. So
on Monday, how many trades did it take you?